Here we go. JD's on this track, banging this white tee full fat. Y'all niggas know me, man. I run through the 815. All the haters hating cause they can't sell my dimes. Making money so easy. What you gonna do like Weezy? Make a rap battle? Win this shit like it's easy. Nothing, man. You ain't shit to me, man. I'ma come to you in freestyle battle for the cash. Motherfucking looking like you got a bullet in your ass. Wobble, wobble, wobble like that. Everybody know I run with a 6. All y'all fakeness suck my dick. What you gonna say to me, man? I'm gonna make you through today. What you gonna do? You looking gay? Motherfucking looking straight up gay. Man, don't hate on me, man. Kill your ass like a motherfucking lame. But I'm banging this white tee. I'm banging this white tee every fucking day. White tees are my shit. All the fucking day. All the time. What you gonna say? I got the fucking AK. I'ma come through with the Glock 40. Blow your brains out, then you a phony, homie. About to fuck on this black to get a little fat in your fucking faggot ass. Niggas, I'm insane. Insane in the brain till the motherfucking world goes to the end. Like a motherfucking fiend friend, what you gonna do? Nothing to me. You a little Jew, go put on some shoes. Cause if you looking lame, or then you already do. I don't give a fuck what you gotta say, cause I'm faster than Flash. And that's a fucking true thing, man.